See, in the continuation of the same, second problem, page number 35, problem number 2, admission of a partner. Here, Sachin and Dravid are partners in a firm, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Their balance sheet is given below. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2017. This is previous year's closing balance sheet. This year opening balance sheet. Creditors 18,000, bills payable 12,000, reserve fund 3,000, capitals Sachin 50,000, Dravid 50,000. Cash in hand 2,000, cash at bank 18,000, sundry debtors 25,000, less PDD provision for doubtful debts 2,000, that is 23,000. Stock 10,000, furniture 25,000, buildings 50,000, profit and loss account. This is the loss of the last year. That amount is not distributed to the partners. Partners not brought the money, so it is an asset to the business. For that, when the loss is occurred, the partner, if they withdraw, they never write on asset side. If the partners are not brought, in such circumstances, this loss will be treated as an asset to the business because the partners should bring that money to the firm. So total 1,33,000, 1,33,000. On 1/4/2017, they admit Ashwin as new partner into partnership on the following terms. So for the admission of a partner of Ashwin, certain norms and conditions is there. How much he should bring? He brings in rupees 40,000 as capital. 40,000 he should bring as a capital, and rupees 18,000 towards goodwill for 1/4 share in the future profits. Depreciate furniture by 10% and buildings are revalued. Buildings are revalued at rupees 45,000. See here, opening value is 50,000. Building value is decreased. It is the loss to the firm. PDD is increased to rupees 3,500. Already 2,000 they made. That is provision for doubtful debts. That debts, what the goods are sold on the basis of credit. Out of 25,000, 2,000 worth of goods value not possible to recover. So they made in the balance sheet. But now, at the time of admission of a new partner, once again, the total amount is increased to 3,500. So 3,500 is the overall. Already made 2,000. So 3,500 minus 2,000, net increased now as a PDD is 1,500. Next, the prepaid insurance. Advance insurance is paid 2,000. So as usual, revaluation account, partners capital account, new balance sheet as on 1/4/2017. These are the information you should keep in your mind. First, revaluation account. Revaluation account. Particulars. Rupees. Particulars. Rupees. So, in the last class I told you, revaluation account also comes under the nominal account. Which are the benefit to the business organization? Which are the benefit to the business organization? You have to record on the credit side. Which are losses or expenses to the business organization? You have to record on the debit side. First, let us say, he brings in rupees 40,000 as capital. Won't be recorded in the partner's capital account. We have to record, and 18,000 towards goodwill. This is also we should record. account in the partner's capital account. Depreciate furniture by 10%. To furniture account. So furniture account, furniture opening balance is 25,000 into 10%, 10 by 100, 2,500. Next, to buildings account. Buildings are revalued. Buildings account. Opening value is 50,000 minus closing value, that is 4,000, 45,000. 5,000 is the last to the firm. Next, PDD is increased to rupees 3,000. Increased to, it means already what they made, it is not sufficient. So overall 3,500 they made. To PDD, so 3,500 already they made 2,000. The net is 1,500. Net is 1,500. By prepaid insurance, that is 2,000. See 9,000, debit side is 9,000, credit side is 2,000. So revaluation loss is 7,000. This will be transferred to the partner's capital account. This subtract you have to write. Compulsorily you have to write because we are unable to understand. 9,000 debit side, credit side is only 2,000, 7,000 revaluation profit. This will be transferred to partners capital account in their old profit sharing ratio by partners capital account. Sachin and Dravid. 7,000 into 3 by 5, 7,000 into 2 by 5. $4,200, 2,800. That is 7,000. Overall 9,000. Overall 9,000. Now, by balance brought down. Sachin 50,000, Dravid 50,000 dash. Now next is the reserve fund by reserve fund 3,000 in 3:5. Three is to 2, that is 18,000, 12,000 dash. Next, to profit and loss account, 5,000 in 3 20,000, 2,000. Next coming to the capital by bank account. Capital, so 40,000. Goodwill brought 18,000 by goodwill account, 18,000 in 3:2, 12,000. Say 5 3 is 50, 3 6, 10,800, 7,200. To revaluation account, loss, that is 4,200, 2,800 dash. See on the credit side, Sachin, Dravid, Ashwin. 51,800, 61,000, 62,600, 62,600. Here 51, 58,000, 58,400. Here 40,000. Debit side 7,200, 6 minus 2, 4, 12 minus 7, 5, 55,400. Here 4,800. So carry 1, 600, 3, 53,600 dash 40,000. This is abstract to balance carried down, transferred 55,400, 53,600, 40,000. So here 62,600, 58,000, 400, 40,000. So say here 62,600, 58,400, 40,000. Say by balance brought down 50,000, 50,000. This is brought capitals of Sachin and Dravid 50,000, 50,000. Reserve fund, that is reserve fund is 3,000. That is 3 to 2, that is 1800 and 1200. Bank, that is 40,000 capital brought into the business and 18,000 is there, that is goodwill. Goodwill is bifurcated in 3 to 2, 10,800 and 7,200. Overall 62,600, 58,400, 40,000. Here profit and loss account. This is the profit and loss account. This is the loss. This loss is 5,000 in 3 to 2 ratio. That is 3,000, 2,000. Revaluation account. The loss. This is the loss. We have recorded here. Okay. The difference amount. Credit side and debit side. We deduct it. We get the this balance which is transferred to the capital accounts. Below is there abstract. Coming to the new balance sheet. So now cash in hand as it is. Cash in hand 2,000. Cash at bank 18,000 and seize capital 40,000 amount brought into the farm in the form of capital. 40,000 brought into the business in the form of capital and goodwill. He brought goodwill also rupees 18,000 into the business. Total is 76,000. 76,000 overall cash at bank. Sundry debtors. Sundry debtors. Total overall 25,000. Less PDD, that is 2000 old plus new is 1500. 2000 old plus 1500 revaluation account, that is 3500. 21,500 in the outer column. Next stock. Stock no adjustments for this, directly 10,000. Next is the furniture. Furniture 25,000. Less 10% depreciation 2,500. 22,500. Buildings 50,000 less revaluation 5,000, outer column 4,000, 45,000, prepaid insurance, that is 2,000. Coming to the liability side, creditors 18,000, bills payable Sachin, Dravid, and Ashwin. Say Sachin 55,400. Here Dravid 53,600 and 40,000. So overall here 9,000, 1,49,000. Say 1,79,000. Here also 1,79,000. 1,79,000. 1,79,000.